Introducing the MiDOG All-in-One Swab Collection Kit, a culture-independent diagnostic test for infections of the ear, skin, oral cavity, and more. Each kit contains 5 sterile swabs, 5 pre-filled tubes with a preservation agent, plastic bags, a sample information card, and prepaid return envelopes. We offer 2 versions, our standard swab collection kit for routine veterinary patients, and a smaller size swab kit for exotic animals and smaller animals that require gentler sampling. Now I'll show you 3 examples of samples that you could take using the MiDOG collection kit. 1 with a dermatitis case, 1 an otitis case, and 1 a diarrhea case. First, you're going to label the swab collection tube with your veterinary's name and the patient information. To collect your sample, you'll want to make sure that you're wearing sterile gloves. Grab the swab from the kit, peel it open, and pull it out without touching the tip. For a dermatitis case, what you'll want to do is place the swab on the affected area of the skin. You're going to press with medium pressure, and then you're going to twist it 10 times to make sure that you get enough of that tissue on the swab. For an otitis case, what you'll want to do is take the swab and place it directly into the ear canal, avoiding touching the outer part of the ear. So just like this, into the ear canal. For a fecal sample, what you'll want to do is take the swab, dip it into your feces, swirl it around 10 times, and then scoop out about a pea-sized amount of the feces. For all your samples, you're going to untwist the cap of the tube. You're going to stick the swab into the tube with the reagent, and then you're going to break the swab at the pre-marked location on that swab, like so. Twist the cap of the tube, and you're done. Next, you're going to shake the tube 10 times to mix your sample with the protective reagent. Once you've done that, you'll place it into the plastic bag. Next, you're going to fill out your sample card. Take your sample card and the sample and place it into a prepaid shipping envelope and send it out for shipping. Whether it's chronic skin infections, unresolved ear issues, or a complex microbiome, the MiDOG All-in-One test provides a comprehensive DNA-based report within 2 to 3 business days of receiving your sample.